Hello.
Welcome, welcome to Gujarat Hyderabad. You need mic or something? Your mic is live.
I enjoyed myself playing a naval officer because for a very simple reason, to wear a uniform is automatically you feel great, you feel responsible for a lot of things, and you feeling of pride comes in. So that's why it was great playing a naval officer.
अक्षय, खास करके आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे, अभी तक के आपने जो मूवीज की है उसमें से ज़्यादातर जो रही है नेशन से जुड़ी हुई रही है। हॉलीडे में आपने मतलब एक बट यू हैव मेड पुलिस ऑफिसर टू मेजर का भी आपने किरदार प्ले कर लिया है। मैं जानना चाहूँगी कि मतलब ऐसा कुछ है कि नेशन से जुड़ी हुई जो रहती है या फोर्सेस से जुड़ी हुई मूवीज जो रहती है वो आपके दिल को ज़्यादा छूती है?
नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं, मुझे सारी फिल्में दिल को छूती हैं क्योंकि मेरे दिल को ही नहीं बल्कि मेरे बैंक को भी छूती है। सो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। It is basically the subject which attracts me. Okay, so I like the fact that it is जैसे कि एयरलिफ्ट कितने लोगों को पता ही नहीं था कि जो बहुत सारे केसेस के साथ जुड़ी हुई ये जो फिल्म है रुस्तम बनाई गई है एंड इट्स रियल स्टोरीज पे आधारित है। तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आई ओनली लाइक प्लेइंग ओनली समथिंग टू डू विद नेशन ओनली।
I can't take credit for that. I think Akshay should talk.
हाँ, वो पारसीज की शादी थी एंड मेरे जो मैनेजर है जिनोविया, इनका भी फोन बार बार बज रहा था, बाहर चले गई। उनकी मम्मी डैडी की तस्वीर है और उनके डैडी ने जो मूछे हैं वो मैंने कॉपी करके वो मूछे लगाई थी और बिल्कुल हम लोगों के बहुत
इलियाना का जो किरदार है वो रुस्तम पागरी की वाइफ है, सिंधिया पागरी एंड पागरी, सॉरी मैं चलो स्टार्टिंग में खराब एंड उनका आई थिंक हर कैरेक्टर है समथिंग कि हर औरत उससे रिलेट कर पाएगी, हर औरत के साथ हर आई मीन ये होता है, ह्यूमन नेचर है एक कि आपको किसी से अट्रैक्शन हो जाती है, किसी से प्यार हो जाता है, मगर इवेंचुअली जो औरत का जो दिखाया है, जो दर्द दिखाया है, जो प्यार दिखाया है, चाहे वो अपने पति के लिए हो चाहे वो बच्चों के लिए, वो आई थिंक सारे इमोशंस और बहुत कि कैसे इनका दिखाया है फिल्म में कि कैसे बिकॉज शी एंड्स अप चीटिंग ऑन रुस्तम।
Did she really cheat on him or exactly क्या हुआ? But like Akshay said before, a lot of women will relate to this character. I think, I hope so. As a woman, I could sort of understand the pain and everything that she goes through. And in a nutshell, let's just say it's a perfect sort of marriage that they have, and she ends up making one big mistake that causes him a lot of problems.
ये मतलब confession आपने किया है, right? Confession होता है इस फिल्म में।
कन्फेशन होता है, क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो लोगों को पता भी नहीं है कि इस केस के अंदर क्या क्या चीजें जुड़ी हुई थी। एंड द फन इज अबाउट बिकॉज इट्स अ थ्रिलर एंड द थ्रिल इज दैट इफ यू गो एंड वॉच इट व्हाट हैपेंस, हाउ इट हैपेंस। देखिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि हमारी फिल्मों में, हिंदी सिनेमा में, एंड आई एम श्योर कि आप लोग सब एग्री करेंगे, मैं आपको एक प्रश्न भी पूछूंगा अगर कोई उत्तर दे सकते हैं, कि हमने हमेशा दिखाया कि कई फिल्मों में एक मर्द, मैडम, कई फिल्मों में एक मर्द he cheats on his wife, he slips and then he asks for forgiveness और उनकी वाइफ उनको forgive करती है, या और ये तो आप डिनाई नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा होता नहीं है। Okay, then what a husband has to go through. So it is a film where the ladies are going to love it, the gents are going to feel it, and I can इतना जरूर कह सकता हूँ कि this is a film which will save a lot of people's divorce. Okay, ये मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, lot of people's divorce, because there are sometimes people commit mistakes and it happens. It's a human nature to commit sometimes mistakes, and if a forgiveness comes in, it's a better world. So that is what the whole idea of the film is, and let's just watch it.
Homework for me to do. I found it a lot easier क्योंकि हमारे जो director है टीनू, he's really clear about what he wanted, and I pretty much just followed the script. I think main research though was for our looks. Both of us girls had to do a lot of look tests, and I think मेरे कुछ 5 look tests थे, and then eventually I figured it's better to cut my hair off, and hopefully it worked in the film.
And therefore yesterday you had 7 looks.
No, she had 7 looks.
Oh, you
I
had
had
7.
7.
So you had 5 looks. Okay, sorry.
जो फिल्म के डायरेक्टर तीनों देसाई, उन्हें हर चीज परफेक्ट चाहिए होगी, like any good filmmaker especially would want. And तो उन्हें ये था कि नहीं, मुझे बाल ऐसे ही चाहिए जो मेरी फिल्म में विग है.
It's 1960s movie.
Yeah, जो हमारी विग है, उन्हें थ्रू आउट फिल्म में like something like red lips चाहिए and everything. And जहाँ कैरेक्टर की बात आती है, मेरे हिसाब से जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है प्रीति मखीजा, वो नेगेटिव नहीं है. It's just she has shades of grey, जो हम सब human beings में होता है. And she's just, उनका बस एक एजेंडा है कि मेरे पास पैसा है, पावर है, खूबसूरती है, मगर उसके अलावा भी मुझे बस एक चीज चाहिए कि रुस्तम पावरी should be hanged. That's it. Like मेरा पूरा लाइफ का एजेंडा ये है. I'm just against him.
Basically,
I
she's
just don't
saying
like
कि we
him.
are all grey. That's what you say. हम human nature में होता है grey. हम सब grey हैं. We all villains basically. That's what you said. मेरी दादी कहा करती थी, अच्छा, मेरी दादी कहा करती थी कि अपने ड्रीम्स मत बताओ, ये तो पूरे नहीं होंगे, इसलिए मैं नहीं बताता. I'm on the top of the world, and I felt very. There was a certain kind of responsibility which came in, and my walk changed, my way of talking changed, and suddenly I felt the character within. So that is the power of a real uniform.
जब आपने फर्स्ट टाइम रुस्तम की स्टोरी सुनी तो what was first reaction?
I said, I'm going to do it.
Like
I wanted to say.
रुस्तम को सलमान खान भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. उन्होंने एक वीडियो में मतलब रुस्तम देखने के लिए ऑडियंस को मतलब अपील भी किया है. क्या कहेंगे?
बहुत अच्छा. This shows the unity of our industry, and this shows his greatness. That it's not his film also, but still he's supporting it. So I'm very happy that he did that, and I'm thankful to him that he did.
And I think I've said it like much before, years
From
before
childhood,
I even
from when you were in school.
When I was in school. No, but I've been his fans. I remember even during my first film, I used to say he's one of the actors I want to work with. And now I think finally my dream has come true. Of course, like another film also, inshallah, with him. But it's been lovely. He's very disciplined. Probably the only person who I know in the film industry who's literally on time. Like on time means if the shoot time is 9 o'clock, he'll be there at 8:50, but never on 8:05. He's a health freak, he's a fitness freak, and the best thing is his sense of humor is just so amazing. You get to learn so much from a person who's working so much, but it's still so light-hearted, and it doesn't have he doesn't create a stardom, he just comes with it. Like, it's just the aura that he has. And Ileana is amazing. She's nice and chirpy, and she bakes really well. Like, I hate her for that. Like, because she really bakes really well. I wish I could do that. And she's just lovely. She's nice to everyone, like even to my team and, to her team, to everyone. So it's good. It's really good to do a film on this big
And she's
level.
a good baker also. I've given the Rustam myself. Rustam, my little bit, whatever ability I have, that I can act that character, and what Rustam has given me, that will be after the movie release. If it goes well, then that is.
If you cannot disclose what has recently, can you tell us a similarity between Akshay and your character Rustam?
Similarity is, sorry.
I would like to say there's not a lot of similarities between
No, they're asking what is Rustam
Power
giving
and
me.
No, not Rustam, but
Because no.
what exactly do you want to
Your
know?
character, Cynthia, what have you given to your character and what has your character given to you? I'm not talking about Rustam, what Rustam gave you.
Okay, what have you given to Cynthia and what has Cynthia given to you?
Or similarities.
I don't know if there's any similarities. And I don't know whether we've given each other anything. If anything, I would just say that the kind of journey that Cynthia has in the movie is quite amazing emotionally, and it's just giving me a different perspective on maybe marriages and relationships. I'm not going to get into weird jokes. Yes.
Okay. So as you both talked about the test look, right? So
Look
how
tests, yeah.
the look test. So how important it is for a character to get the perfect look?
I think it's incredibly important that it sort of is maybe about 50% of your character. I mean, not just your performance, your look also really matters. And the fact that it was set in the late 50s was a very sort of crucial period. We couldn't just, I mean, they're very distinct periods, 60s, 70s, 80s. So we needed a really great stylist, and Ameera has been fantastic with the entire film. She styled us beautifully. And I think that the most tricky for me was getting the hair right, because again, Cynthia is not the sort of woman who sort of really dresses up overtly, but in the 50s they always had a little extra, the hair was extra coiffed and stuff like that. So there had to be a nice sort of balance in between. And I always wanted to wear red lipstick, but Timu would never let me wear red lipstick. I know, I was so jealous. I wanted to wear red lipstick. Now they're going to write that I was jealous of Isha. I'm sure they're going to write that. That's fine.
Thank you so much everyone for taking the time out and coming up over here and the best.